First of all, a little bit about the chip itself. For that story, we went to the PowerPC Design Center in Austin, Texas.
Here at the Somerset Center in Austin, chip designers from IBM and Motorola collaborate with advisors from Apple Computer. You won't find company logos here. The idea is to maintain a kind of corporate neutrality so that everyone works together cooperatively instead of competitively.
Somerset was the name that the employees came up with. We wanted to name the building. We didn't want to call it a design center or a lab or anything. And Somerset represents a name chosen by the employees because it's the area in England where King Arthur used to bring his knights together at night to work on aligning the knights to go after a big quest and so on. So everybody thought Somerset was very representative.
The Somerset Group plans a complete line of RISC chips. Since the alliance was announced in 1991, the PowerPC chip has found its way into the Power Macintosh and now into a line of Unix-based machines. Unveiled recently by IBM, the new AIX systems include audio input and output functions, aspects of what IBM calls human-centric computing.
Hello, I am Fred and I would like to introduce the new IBM entry-level workstation.
The next step to an OS/2 or Windows PowerPC is yet to be announced, but IBM continues to focus on the long-term approach.
We view this as not something where after 2 or 3 years we declare victory. This is a long-term commitment from all the companies involved to migrate to this PowerPC architecture. And so we kind of view it as a marathon.
Like previous leaps in computer technology, PowerPC needs more than better performance to make it sell, and that message hasn't been lost on the Somerset Alliance.
There are many components of making a new architecture, a new computing standard, a household word. Again, we talked earlier about the thing that really drives this industry is volume. You know, why does today's PC, for instance, you know, why is it a household world? Because you see it in every computer store you go into, you see it on the TV. The average end user knows that if you're going to go out and, you know, if you're interested in a personal computer, use today's standard. We've got to do the same thing.
For the Computer Chronicles, I'm Victoria Smith.